Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this tricky subset problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem guys. Guys, here we are given n. The problem statement basically means we have n children in a queue and each of the children have this much value or candies. Okay, this much number a particular children have. Now initially we have a variable s. Now what question is saying, like, we have initially 1, we are given array of size n, like here 1 2 4 6 1 2 4 and 2 6 2 1 2 4 2. Okay, then we have to first of all make a final vector or final array which first of all contain s, means initially it will contain s, then it will contain the sum of both of these, means the already element and the a0 means 2, then it will then it next element will be sum of these plus sum of these two, means 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now sum of these all plus 4 means 5 6 7 8 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, then sum of all of these plus 2, that is 12, or plus 5 17 19 20 22. Okay, so our final array will be look like 1 2 5 12 22 1 2 5 12 22 1 2 5 12 22. Okay, so here initially we have s, then what we will do, we will add the sum of all the numbers in our final vector plus current number, put down his number. Now sum of all the current number plus his number, put down this sum of all the number. Okay, this is how we have to build the array. And now after building the array, now we have to do some work on this array. What work? We have to find out whether we are given a variable x, we have to find out whether there is any subset in our x whose sum of element is equal to x or not. Like here our x is equal to 7. Now we have to find out, is there any subset whose sum will become 7. So we can say yes, we have 5 plus 2. So if we take a subset 5 2, then we got 7. Like, and if we have x is equal to 6, then we can take 5 and 1, that is 6. If we have 8, or if we have 9, then we don't have any subset, so we will return 0, means no, means we cannot find any subset. Okay guys, so how we will do this? So guys, first of all what we will do, our a vector is 1. First of all we have to find out how we build the final vector, because after this our problem will become very simple. Now s means the sum till current number. Okay, now I am telling you how, because each time you are adding the sum of the number, like from this adding sum, then adding sum, then adding it. It is n square approach, then and you will go TLE. Okay, so how we will do it? So first of all, our s is equal to 1, s1 1 2 4 2. So we will put down s here. Now sum of our number before 1 is 1. So what we will do? 1 plus 1, that is 2, put down 2. Now our s will update to 2 plus 1, means we have already have 1. Now our next number is 2, so sum of our total will become 1 plus 2, that is 3. So before 2 our sum became 3. I should use some other color so that it will be dark. Now we are at this number. Now before 2 what we have to put down, we have to put down 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, that is 5. And now our s will also update. This term have some 3. Now we have 5, so what we will do, we will just add 5 in it, so 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So all the elements sum before his 5 index is 8. Okay, this is 4. Yes, this is 4, this is not 5, this is 4, this is 4. Okay, now what we have to do, we don't need to add sum, we already have sum, that is sum is 8. So 8 plus 4, we have to put down 8 plus 4, that is 12. And s will update to 8 plus 12, that is 20. This 20 means the sum of these all element, means the sum of element in my final vector after after doing operation on this index. Okay, so it will be 20. 12 plus 5 17 plus 2 19 plus 1 20. So 20 plus 2, it is 22, and our array will update at 20 plus 22, that is 42. Okay, this is how we will do operation again and again. Okay guys, I hope you all understand. I hope you all understand what I want to say. Okay, so this is how we will make our array. Initially s plus this, put down this here, add put down this here because one is already in my array. Then add this two in my one, update my sum plus these two, put down here, add these two, move to next. Now my final is 8, doing 8 plus 4, move to 12, doing 8 plus 12, update my s to 20. Now 20 plus 2, put down it here, doing some of this and move to next. We don't have any number, so we will not do any operation. Okay, this is very simple. So how we will do it? So I am telling you by code, because with code it become very easy. First of all, we are taken a vector v. So this is given s means the initial sum we have, and the total number of element in our array a, x the subset sum we want to have at the last. Now this is our array a. Now we declare vector v, initially push back vector s in my vector. Now this, so this is the code. Okay guys, so this is the code. So how it will look like? So first of all we are push back one, means one is in our array. Now we are taken a variable current, means the current sum of our array, like 1, 3, 8, 20. Okay, this current sum of our array. That is 2 is here, 1 to 5 4 to 1 to 5 12 22. Okay, this is fine array. So initially our v will be like 1, we are push backing s, then our current is equal to s. Current is equal to n means current is equal to 1. Now for I is equal to 0 to I less than n, we are taken a variable temp. Temp, make it more temp. And what I am doing in my temp, current plus ai. Now what is my current? Current is 1, so 1 plus what is my ai? Ai is 0, means ai is this one, this one. 1 plus 1, that is temp will become 2. Okay guys, temp will become 2. I am pushbacking temp in my array. So now I am pushbacking temp in my array and update. And this condition I will tell you after completion of my work. Now we are doing current plus is equal to temp. So now current plus is equal to temp is 2. So current plus is equal to temp, that is 2. So current will become 3. So you can say current will update to this 3 from first of all 1, then 3. Now again our I is equal to 1, means we are at 2. Now current is equal to 3. Now 3 plus a1, a1 is 2, so it will become 5. It will become 5. Now how time will look like? Time will look like current plus ai, means 5 plus 2. Current plus ai, what is current? Yes, current is 5. 5 plus am I right? Just a minute. 3 plus 2, yes, this is my temp actually. Just a minute, just a minute. After doing I is equal to 0, this is my current. Okay, now I am at temp. Now temp is equal to current plus ai. Now temp is equal to current plus ai. Okay, now what is my temp? Current, that is 3 plus ai. What is my ai? Ai is equal to 2, so temp will become 5. Then I am push back temp to my vector, update my current to current plus temp, that is 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, that is 8. That is 8. Then now I am at this. Now temp again current plus ai, 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Push back 12 to my answer. update current to current plus temp, that is 8 plus 12, that is 20. This is 12, this is 20. Okay, now I am at I is equal to I am at this 2. Now again 2 plus 20, that is 22. Push back 22 in my number and update my current to current plus, I'm at 20 plus 22 is equal to 42. Okay, then my loop will end. Okay, so this is the vector I have at last. So this is how I am doing my operation using v, current and temp. Okay, I hope you will understand. I am explaining you with the code so that it will become easy. Okay guys, so now, so I have got my vector. Now you are must thinking why I am writing this. I am writing this because I have a big case like this. I have a big case like this. Okay, we have to find out x is equal to this. S starting is equal to it, but each time it will become double from 1, then 2, then 4, then 8, 16, 32. Okay, because each some of the before element, some of the current element, it will become double. Okay, so very soon we will reach 10 raised to the power 18. So as you can see, there are many cases where s can be up to 10 raised to the power 18 and x also can be 10 raised to the power 18. Okay, suppose if my s is equal to x is equal to 10 raised to the power 18 and my my ai is as well. What happens? I'm just using this something. And my ai is equal to same 10 raised to the power 18. Then what can be happen when you are doing this plus this, then it will overflow and you got wrong answer, you got some minus values, then after minus 0 values, so you will not get correct v out v vector means final vector. So that's why what we are doing, if my current value is greater than my x, then I just break out, and as you know, my value is always in the range 1 to 10 raised to the power 18. So I will know each time my temp will increase, means all the next element will be greater than the before element, because I am adding something like ai. Okay, and previous sum and ai, so I can say this is my sorted vector, this is my sorted vector. Okay, this vector is always sorted, and if once I found a variable who is greater than or is equal to x, then because I have already pushed back this in my vector, I just break, means next element I got will be greater than my x, so I don't need that particular element, I can break out from the loop now. Okay, this is why I am writing this x, because my v is sorted. Okay guys, so now how I am finding the x, whether x is present or not. We are traversing from reverse. We are start to traversing from reverse. Okay, so what we will do, we will start traversing from reverse. And if I found the ith element of my vector v is greater than or is equal to my x is equal to x, then I will decrease that element from my x. You can see it here. Okay guys, this is my v. Now okay, this is my vector. Okay guys, this is what I am doing. I am taken I starting from the end, then if still my I greater than 0 and x greater than 0, means my x will not become 0. If my x is greater than or vi, then I can say vi has some part in my x, so I can decrease vi from my x. This is how we will check if a particular element subset is in our vector or not. Okay guys, and then I will decrease my I minus minus. Okay guys, so like here x is equal to 7, so x is equal to 7, I am at 22. Is 7 greater than 22? No, false. I just decrease my xi and come here. Now 7 greater than 12? False. Now 4, 5, 7 greater than 5? Yes. So I will use 5 and decrease 5 from my 7 and my x became 2. This is my x became 2. Now 2 greater than is equal to 2 greater than is equal to my 2? Yes. So I will decrease 2 and I will become 0. Decrease I will put out here, and when I doing some operation here, we will see our x is not greater than 0. I will come out of the loop. So you can say here our x is equal to 0 means we have completed our work. Okay, this is how we will find out yes 7 is a subset is in our array. Suppose, and I am telling you by one more example, like suppose if it is 9, if it is 9, then for 22 it will pass, for 12 it will pass, for 5 we will decrease 5, it became 4, for 2 we will decrease 2, it became 2, for 1 we will decrease 1, it became 1. Okay, then after completion we have some value left, so we never able to find out our x is equal to 0 element. Okay, means all element that contribute to my x. Okay, this is how I am doing this operation, and at last if my x is equal to 0 means I have found all the values who can make sum is equal to x. So I just return 1, else 5 I just return 0. Okay, now I am compiling it, the correct output. So guys, all the 106 test cases pass out. I hope you all understand the approach. And if you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. This is a simple mathematical problem. I hope you all understand. Thank you for watching this guys. Stay tuned.